I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away my pain, and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again into your dusk and soothe my dark. To glow it out, I see the blue of your flowers inside your heart, and stars held by your eyes bring me to blue sky, and you hold me by your side in a dream of me. You're the town.
Hello world, I'm Via, and today is my first study vlog studying Korean. Yeah, in 2021, I will be studying English, Spanish, and Korean. I'm really excited, but at the same time, I'm kind of scary because, well, basically, 3 languages, different languages. Anyway, well, as you can see in the video, I started studying the alphabet because it's really important, and I decided to focus a lot on the alphabet. At least now in the beginning, because I want to be able to speak and read at least all the syllables, not perfectly because I'm a beginner, but I want to read in the best possible way for now. And that paper that you have seen in the screen, it's basically the paper that I use to practice all the syllables and the pronunciation. I also use some songs from YouTube. They really help me a lot to memorize and to understand better how to pronounce and all these important things that you need to know in the beginning. So if you like to listen to songs, I definitely recommend you to listen to songs to learn Hangul. I don't know even if I'm saying right, but I hope I'm saying right. Plus, if you want to check at the end of the video, I will be trying to speak some random words from my book to learn Korean, and I was saying the words really bad, but they're just some short videos to motivate you and show my progress, because I want to record more study vlogs about learning Korean and all this process. So I want to share with you guys that I make mistakes like every human, and I'm still learning, so that's totally fine. And maybe in 1 year I will be speaking Korean really better, or at least speaking the words that I said at the end of the video really better, and that's my goal. Hi guys, so basically this is how it looks like my notebook right now. I wrote some things about the alphabet right here, and here about the blocks. Also, there are just things here that they're kind of complicated to me, but I will work on it. And if you see a word in my notebook and you don't understand, it's probably because it's in Portuguese. I always try to explain things to me about Korean in English or Portuguese, because there are some sounds in Korean that they are more similar to Portuguese than to English. So it depends. Sometimes I write some stuff in English or mix up with Portuguese. So yeah, that's how my notebook works. So I didn't record, but I was listening a lot to that song that I mentioned before. It's a song to learn the alphabet, and it helps me a lot. So after listening to that song, I decided to practice a little bit of my writing skills. I mean, I don't have any writing skills for now because I don't have vocabulary, but how can I explain that? Basically, I'm just writing the alphabet in that book. Yeah, that's it. sunny, 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 sunny. Oh, sunny, sunny. 고맙습니다. 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 Oh, that's so cool. I can read now. 고맙습니다. Oh, that's so cool. Mom, I can read now. 전 하루도 했어요? 전 하루도 했어요. I can read that. Wait. 전 하루도 했어요. Yes! That's so cool. Disclaimer. This is really hard, but I'm trying my best and probably my pronunciation is terrible. I'm probably saying a lot of things wrong, but I'm trying. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and comment what is hard to you in Korean and give it a like. Bye! See you in the next video.